Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by gathering only what you need: the correct build, latest patch, and a quick mental checklist of strengths. Once ready, take an early position that forces predictable approaches and use your primary ability to probe for reactions. Make sure to bait one resource, ammo, cooldown, or space so you can read enemy responses. This first wave sets tempo. Act decisively, but conserve a small reserve for immediate counters and the next phase of the plan. Once you've established tempo, chain your core tactics with clear timing. Strike during 2-3-second windows when opponents are committed. Use layered counters rather than single responses. Start with a disruption, follow with displacement, and finish with high-damage options. Make sure to monitor cooldowns and enemy resources. If they waste cooldowns, punish aggressively. Maintain map awareness so you don't get flanked. Continue adapting. If a counter fails, switch immediately to complete engagements. Isolate a single target and apply burst tools to end the encounter quickly while teammates cover angles. Once a fight resolves, rotate to a safe reset area to heal, reload, and reposition for the next cycle. If things go wrong, your counter doesn't land, don't panic. Stagger your follow-ups, create space, and bait enemy reloads or cooldowns so you can punish. Remember to communicate one concise call so teammates adapt and the team regains control.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.